Alright guys, today I'm doing an Instant Pot recipe. Check this out. I got carrots, I got an onion, I'm going to put the whole onion in there. I got, that's frozen. I actually had that for a while. It is pork loin. It was on sale, so, and it's frozen, so you can actually, what you can do is when you have an Instant Pot, you can actually throw that right in there, and it'll cook it regardless if it's frozen or not. So, let's do tomatoes, beans, mushrooms, corn, so all of that's going to go in there. It's going to meld with the flavor. I'm going to season it with a lot of garlic salt, pepper, white pepper, cumin, and some oregano. So I'll be back, guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm preparing the Instant Pot right now. So I got the onion cut up. I actually put some rice in there to thicken it up this time as well. I'm going to cut up the carrots and then put the other stuff in, so stay tuned, guys. I'm actually going to also put in some frozen broccoli that I have lying around, so I'll be back. Alright guys, as you can see, it's all ready to go. Got the corn, got the meat in there now. It's all seasoned. As you can see, that's full seasoning there. Stewed tomatoes are in there, so just going to hit the poultry button on my Instant Pot and then just wait for it to come down. So I'm going to add a little bit more water. I'm going to add it up to this rim here, so everything gets cooked well. So I'll be back, guys. Stay tuned. I'll do a quick taste test. Alright guys, check this out. It's all done here. You can smell the aroma of the onions. Everything is really awesome. So I'm going to do a quick taste test for you guys. Here we go. There's the mushroom there. It's really good. The onions just make it taste so much better. Think of it like a hearty soup. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, you can add a lot of things to this Instant Pot type of recipe. If you want to add like some Thai basil, things like that, works as well. It'll nice give it some aroma too. So, all right, stay tuned for more videos.